Look at the size of her now. She'll be 2 in August. This is hard to do, pointing it up there, but she is big. What are you doing up there? Yeah, her jaw, I think, swelled a little bit when she bit the carpet and bit into the wood what was 2 weeks ago, really. Look at the size of her. She's not 2 years old yet. On your hat. This is a healthy, muscular carpet python that only eats rat fuzzies. Oddly enough, it doesn't eat rabbits or pigs or large or jumbos or colossal rats. It eats rat fuzzies. 3 or 4 at a time every couple of weeks. And that's how big she is, because she's active and gets a lot of exercise. She loves you now, look at her. She'll get in your face now and you don't have to worry about her anymore. Yeah, her jaw's pretty messed up a little bit, isn't it? Not bad, but you can see where she injured it.
She learned fast.
I took the carpet out because I didn't want her to do it again. It scared the crap out of her. Freaked her out more than me. I wasn't even worried about getting bit trying to. It took an hour. Her head was sideways and her top teeth were buried in the carpet, so.
Good thing they don't have carpet in the wild.
It's a good thing I got her out, because her jaw was fixed, cockeyed. That's why I think her tooth is offline. See the bump under her chin now? Where that cartilage is? Mm-hmm. It'll heal back up. She ate right after it happened, so I know she's alright, but she's a big girl for only being almost 2 years old. Jasmine said, I'm healthy, I'm happy. I just made an accident.
Hey,
bit the carpet instead of rodent.
Yeah.
Do you feel any mucus around her mouth? Or? I know she's snorting a little bit. A little bit of spit's normal when they're huffing, but I don't think she has a respiratory infection. They won't eat when they have a respiratory infection. I think it's just from when she injured her jaw. And she definitely did. Isn't she big?
She actually didn't try to bite me at all.
No, I told you she wouldn't. She's calm right now. She loves being out. Now the task is putting her back in. She wants to rip your face off. It's the only time she's aggressive is when she doesn't want to go back in her house. Look at you, just hanging around.
Look at her. She's finally learned how to use her body and not freak herself out.
Wasn't that funny how she did that? Her tail would hit her and she'd attack you.
Hi.
My camera's swinging around. That's a good capture of her. She's big.
She knows how to use her weight now and prop up against herself.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's when she calmed down, remember? When she learned to use her body mechanics.
Yeah.
Big girl. She's 92 yet. Well, I'm going to keep an eye on that jaw, and if it doesn't give her any grief, I'm going to put her in with Chewy and let them breed. She's big enough to breed with him now, easily.
She's pretty big.
I had Lydia in with him for 2 days. They got along beautiful.
And it was here when you put her in the first place.
Yeah. Those babies sell for a small fortune. Carpals, they call them. Yeah.
She's huffing at you.
The only thing is, I'm not going to sell them. I'm going to keep them. Look at her. What a difference in her temperament, huh? Yeah, she hurt her jaw. It's not as bad as I expected it to be, though, I'll tell you. I thought it was going to be a major disaster, but it wasn't.
I think your beard just freaked her out.
I remember when his hair stuck Grumpy in the nose, he had him wrapped around his shoulder and it freaked him out. She got big, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, she could compete with Chewy's size now at her size. She's really long. She's gonna be long like he is. You okay? She's loving being out. You try to put her back in, she'll try to tear the house apart though. Look at you!
I'm gonna put you back.
Yeah, she's beautiful.